Over 1.44 million residents in South China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region have been affected by torrential rains and rain-induced disasters such as floods and mudslides since early June, according to local authorities. Four rounds of heavy rainfall during the flood season this year have wreaked havoc in 103 counties of the region, damaging 51,800 hectares of cropland, according to the Regional Emergency Management Department. Guangxi has allocated 20 million yuan, around 2.98 million US dollars, in disaster relief funds since June 2nd. Authorities distributed tents, folding beds, quilts, bottled water, and food to the areas battered by the heavy rains. The local meteorological department forecasts that the rainstorm in Guangxi will strengthen again from Sunday evening, with heavy downpours hitting parts of areas in cities including Guilin, Liuzhou, Hechi, and Hezhou. The autonomous region has upgraded rainfall alerts and emergency response levels.
You